Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. I wanted to take a minute and show you our basic dual battery upgrade for a 200 series Land Cruiser. So we have the standard lead acid crank battery, OEM battery here. On the left side, we have a Group 35 Odyssey Extreme mounted with a sleek Group 35 auxiliary battery tray. The batteries are connected with a RedArc DCDC. We're using the BCDC1240D here. The batteries are connected with, we have 3 fuse breakers here and then 2 on the primary crank side. We have the DCDC. We have an auxiliary fuse block in the back, which I'll show you in just a moment. And then also we have an SBI so that we can crank, so we can jump start the crank battery if need be. Then on the crank side, again, we have the RedArc, and then we have the SBI. And I'll just go ahead and try and show you that too. There's a up-close picture of the breaker. And then the SBI may be kind of hard to see. Obviously, you got your horn here. To the right of that, there is a little solenoid looking thing. Looks kind of like an oil filter. And that is that's the SBI that lets the 2 batteries jump each other. So let me show you how that looks, how we do that on the inside. There is just kind of a blank switch, just a kind of generic blank. It's a STEDI branded switch. Press that button and the 2 batteries are linked for jumping. And then in the back, we've added a 12-volt power outlet back here for, refrigerator or whatever. Inside the bottle jack holder, we have the fuse block, and you can see that everything's labeled there. That's connected to the fridge battery outlet. And then we've also added a couple USB ports on the inside. We've added a dual USB port here, and then also another one over here, and then also 2 12-volt outlets. So that is our basic dual battery upgrade for a 200 series Land Cruiser. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call or email me anytime. My name is Eric Sargent, 317-385-9572.